So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, if it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.